Get perfect miter cuts the first time, without any need for trial and error when you use this Incra MITER1000 table saw miter gauge by Incra, combining a solid steel laser cut protractor head with a gold anodized Incra Track Fence and a red stop positioner. The sliding scales fit perfectly in the top slot on the fence to make stop positioning easy, fast, and accurate. Precision angle indexing teeth are laser cut in solid steel to lock in 41 positive angle stops in 5 degrees increments over a full plus or minus 90 degrees range. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. Other features include a standard miter head, a glide lock miter bar with a width that is adjustable in 6 places, an 18 inches track fence, and a sliding stop positioner. The miter gauge also has 6 expansion points that allow for adjustments to both sides of the bar for zero side play and anti-friction travel. Working with all table saws with standard 3x4x3x8 inches miter gauge channels, including Delta, Craftsman, and imports. Whether it's your basic 90 degrees cutoff, simple pictures frames, complex compound mitres, or a 20-sided object, the MITER1000 delivers perfect repeatable accuracy every time. This product also comes with a 1-year limited warranty. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Table saw that delivers perfect miter cuts the first time. Number 2. Solid steel laser cut protractor head and gold anodized track fence. Number 3. 1 angle stop with index stops every 5 degrees. Number 4. Precision angle indexing teeth. Number 5. 6 expansion points that allow for adjustments to both sides of the bar for zero side play, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.